Hello, my name is Steve Ray, and this is just a quick introduction to the QUDT browser that's available on the web, powered by the Top-Grade Edge tool. To get to it, you just go to the URL you see in the upper corner of your screen there, quudt.org/edge/tbl, and just click the login button. When you get the home page here, I'm not going to take you through everything, but I'll just show you some of the highlights. What we call the hamburger icon in the upper left here takes you to any of the ontology or the data graphs, the vocabularies. Let's just choose the units vocabulary. And I'm going to choose a particular layout, not this one yet, called the search layout, which is, I think, fairly convenient. And you can modify these layouts, slide things around. Like this one, it lists all the units in this case. There's an editor pane, and I'm going to add one panel, which is on the panels thing, which is the references, all the things that refer to a given unit. Now I can go to this listing of units and search for one like the joule, the unit of energy. It lists all the units that have the word joule in their label. Here's the actual joule I'm looking for. You can see the description of it, all the properties in the QUDT ontology, and then all the things on the right are anything, units, quantity kinds, or whatever that refer to this instance. If you're familiar with the QUDT ontology at all, you know that every unit has an associated quantity kind. What is this a unit for measuring? It's a unit of measuring energy. You can click on energy. Now it takes you to the quantity kind energy. And again, you can see all the references to quantity kind and also references to other quantity kinds you might want to be taking a look at. Finally, every quantity kind has a dimension vector, which gives you, for the SI system, what the base dimensions are for energy. Click on that. Energy, think of E equals mc squared, so energy is mass times velocity squared, or length squared divided by time squared. So that's basically gets you through the units, quantity kinds, and dimension vectors for QUDT. I want to briefly take you back to that layout you saw at the beginning, which was the Sparkle query layout. I'm going to close this right-hand pane, and basically what we have is a library of calls which you can add to. There's only one in the library right now. You can view it, and then what this does is does unit conversions for anything with a given word. If you just run it, it'll show you how to convert milligrays into every commensurate unit. In other words, every unit that has the same dimension as a milligray. You can change that to, say, teaspoon, and it'll do a conversion of a teaspoon, your volume of course, to every other commensurate unit of volume. That's, I think, enough for the quick introduction. There are many other buttons and panels to explore, but hopefully this gets you started. Thanks.